Alright, so guys, if you guys were wondering how to get this badge, I'm going to show you how right here. Okay, so you have to get to 4,000 meters, and me and my friend are about to go kill the boss. So let's do this. He's gonna be a fighter, and I'm gonna be. It's like the Monkey things in basement. Okay, go attack! Attack! Okay. Alright, go attack that mofo. Just swing your batons like crazy. He's over there. Yeah, he's big. Attack him! Go! Don't worry about him attacking you. Don't worry. Okay. Get in front of my. Get in front of my. Get in front of my. Yes. Wait. Go front of me. Wait, here. Wait, it's not here. Punch his way. Punch his way. How did I do that? How did I do that? What? Hey, stupid. Okay. Now let me front. Okay. Wait, go. Okay. No, wait. Try to avoid attack as much as you can. Oh, right. Am I getting lagged? He's gotta be so close to that right now. Let go! Yes, we did it! Yes, we did it! And then this crate will rain down on you, and then after. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you get the Monkey badge. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.